experiment. Here we go. Here.
Let me give you some handy horsepower.
I wish I would turn on like.
Sir, are you selling drugs?
Shit, shit's fine.
She's deader than a doornail.
I can't hear her. Pass it on over there? Oh, hey.
Like, what? I wanted to go for a ride already.
It's alright, let's go some pussy. She's like, alright, let's go race again. Come on, idle, baby, idle. The line?
We out here, we just put a new tire. Oh my god, he's gliding. Oh! Oh, what are you doing there? Whoa, whoa. Oh, doing a little pause or what?
Clean the slicks. Gotta get the dirt off of them. I'm scared to test drive it. I should probably check my tranny fluid right.
I should probably move first before you put it in drive.
I should probably check my tranny fluid.
That too. I'm gonna take them with me. We gotta move the car. We gotta move La Perona. God damn, bitch, it's hot in here. Jesus. Oh shit. She's running a little hot. Oh shit, what was that? Beep, beep. Oh, whoa. God damn, bitches. There you go. Rolling up the windows. Turn her off a little bit because she burning a little too hot.